Hey guys, I wanted to show you this neat trick that my brother taught me on how to find a font face for a website. So here we have the Ableton website. I'm just going to show you an example of how to find the font through checking the code. Okay, so here, just right click and click on inspect. And then go over to computed, and then the font face should show under font family. You can see here it's Futura font. Okay, and then I'll show you just another example and then an example after that. Here we are on the Apple page. Scroll down. That looks like a good font. Right click, inspect. Then go over to computed and font family. And there we have the font face, SF Pro Text. Alright, I hope this helps. If you have any cool tips as well, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Yeah. Thanks for watching.